Ibotta linked card tracking issues usually happen because the purchase, account connection, or offer requirements did not match what Ibotta expected. By the end, you'll know the main checks to run when an Ibotta linked card purchase does not appear, and what steps to take before contacting support. Start by checking that your linked card is still connected inside the Ibotta app. A card connection that is no longer active can prevent eligible purchases from being recognized. Open the Ibotta app and review your linked card settings. If the card is missing or disconnected, reconnect it before making another qualifying purchase. Next, check the offer details before assuming the tracking failed. Ibotta offers can have specific requirements, and a purchase may not qualify if the item, store, or offer conditions were not met. Review the offer you activated and compare it with your receipt or purchase history. Make sure the product and store match the requirements shown in the app. Another common issue is timing. Some purchases may not appear immediately after the transaction. If the purchase does not show right away, check the app again later before repeating the process. If the linked card is connected and the offer requirements were followed, check whether the transaction appears in your account activity. This helps confirm whether Ibotta received any purchase information. You can also try basic app troubleshooting steps. Update the Ibotta app, close and reopen it, and check that you are signed into the correct account. Using the correct Ibotta account matters because rewards and purchase activity are connected to the account where the offer was activated. If the purchase still does not track, collect the details before contacting Ibotta support. Keep information like the offer name, store, purchase date, and any relevant receipt details available. Support can use those details to review the missing activity and determine what happened with the transaction. The fastest way to avoid future tracking problems is to confirm your linked card connection before shopping, activate offers before purchasing, and check the offer requirements carefully. So the main fixes are simple. Verify your linked card is connected, confirm the purchase matches the offer rules, and give the app time to process the transaction before troubleshooting further. If these steps helped you fix your Ibotta linked card issue, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment with the problem you want covered next.